Hey, we're back for another point card update. This is in addition to the first two videos about the point rewards debit card I've made so far. There are some new updates and some things that I didn't understand fully that I'd like to share with you after 2 months of using it. So let's get into it. Gotta get this film pretty fast before the light changes on me. Hello there, I'm Caleb. If this is your first time here and you want to stay updated on rewards debit cards, then hit this subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. If your interest is piqued after this video, then check out the referral link down below where you can get $100 in free points by using it to sign up. Alright, here are some things that I've learned after the last 2 months of using this point rewards debit card. Number 1, I complained about the low daily limit of this card, but that's not a problem anymore. Basically, I've mentioned that we're building a shed here pretty soon, and I wanted to purchase all of the materials in one transaction so we could get it all delivered in one fell swoop without paying more than one delivery fee. And it's a little hard to buy a shed on a $1,500 daily limit. Well, when I contacted Point, they said that they could raise it for me. It was no problem to bump it up to $5,000 daily limit on both the physical and the virtual cards. But they had to get it approved through the risk team in order to get it up to the $10,000 limit so we could purchase our $8,500 shed on one card in one transaction. And they got it done for me. Now we have $85 more in points than we did before. Number 2, bonus points. Part of the point card benefits that I've mentioned in other videos is that for some companies and categories, you get bonus points. So the normal points you get are 1% back on all purchases that you make. With the bonus points, sometimes it's 3%, sometimes it's 5%, and occasionally it's up to 10 or 20% back. Now that I've had it a bit, I know better how it works. So to get the bonus points, you don't actually have to activate anything, which I like a lot, because with a lot of other debit cards, you actually have to activate offers before you can get any cash back. But with this, you don't have to, it's just automatic, and you just use your card whenever you're purchasing from one of the companies that has extra cash back. So then you get the normal number of points, so 1% for that purchase, and then the extra points take a little bit longer to come through. In my experience, between 2.5 weeks and a month, though they technically say you should expect it within 30 days. And then you'll get a notification like this that shows that the extra points were added to your account. Also, here's something that I've been pretty surprised about when it comes to the bonus points. Amazon's own credit cards give you 5% back on all purchases you make on Amazon, but that's only if you have a Prime membership. If you don't have Prime, it's 3% back. With the point card, purchases on Amazon have been at 5% back for the majority of the time that we've had the card. The other part of the time that we've had it, it's been at 3%, except for 1 week where it was at 10% back. And there's no requirement for a Prime membership or anything like that. Now that's pretty awesome. Number 3, redeeming points. I think I've mentioned this before, but you can redeem points as straight cash. There aren't any options for redeeming as gift cards or anything like that. Just easy and simple, straight cash. And the only minimum for redeeming is 100 points, which is only $1. And when you redeem, it just gets added to your account like it's normal money. Number 4, paying other people or getting paid is limited. Unfortunately, there's no way to deposit checks into the Point account as of yet. There is an account and routing number because it's a bank account, which I thought would allow you to make checks on your own. But when I texted Point to confirm, they said this: the checks probably would not clear since it's not through us directly. Basically, Point's debit card is issued through Radius Bank, so my plan is to contact Radius and see if checks would work through this account. And in terms of Zelle, at the moment, it only works one way. Meaning if you want to set up your Point account with Zelle, you can, but you can only receive money from other people with it. And that also came straight from a conversation I had with Point about Zelle. So if you're looking to pay someone easily, I would probably just hook up your Point account with Venmo or the Cash App and use that. That's easy enough to use until Point gets some new features added. You listening, Point? Now before we get to the last point, we gotta thank our sponsor, Mountains. We just got back from vacation and it was unbelievable. All right, I get it. The beach is peaceful and relaxing, but the mountains. Let me know down below if you're a mountains or a beach kind of person. Number 5, Point is very easy to contact. I hate having to call companies. I don't like the process and I don't like being put on hold. Maybe it's just because I'm a millennial, but texting and email is so convenient. So I love the fact that I can email or text Point and they'll get back to me pretty quickly. Overall, email is certainly fast enough as they've gotten back to me within a day every time that I've emailed them. And texting, they tend to respond within 15 or 20 minutes during normal business hours. It makes it super simple to get any questions answered. I've done it several times because of all the questions that have come up from these reviews, and every time I've gotten a response that has answered all my questions. Editing Caleb here with one more thing. So Joe commented on one of the point card videos that he thought it was worth mentioning what company actually provides some of the benefits of this card. A lot of these benefits are provided by MasterCard. Now it might not make a difference to you. Ultimately, it doesn't really make a difference to me because I know that a lot of these kinds of benefits are provided by the payment processing companies like Visa or MasterCard or something like that. But Joe mentioned this because when it comes to customer customer service, MasterCard's customer service is going to be very different than that of Point. So in terms of benefits, all things cash back comes from Point, and all insurances like purchase protection, phone insurance, and no liability coverage are provided by MasterCard. Also, check this out. Point gave me 100 points for my birthday, which was 2 days ago. And if you want to hit the like button as a birthday gift, I don't know, I'm not going to stop you. Overall, I'm still super impressed with this card. Point seems like they genuinely care about their customers and are interested in helping them with their financial lives. Having said that, there are some features that they're missing, like the fact that we can't pay anyone through it, not even through Zelle, or again, no ability to add a spouse to the account or even add a beneficiary. If anyone from Point is watching, please let us add a beneficiary. Otherwise, so far, I'm comfortable in using it and I'm not worried about theft or what would result from it. And the fact that we've gotten back $160 past the points that we paid towards the initial $49 fee, so $209 total, means Bailey and I could go for a nice outing and still have enough to save back for all of our mini home improvements. As always, if you have any questions about it, I'd be happy to answer them. Just ask down below in the comments. And if you'd like to give the Point card a shot yourself, then use my referral link down below, and if you use it for $1,000 of your expenses in the first 30 days, then you can get $100 back in bonus points. Until next time, if you found this valuable, then give this video a like and hit the subscribe button and notification bell while you're down there. And remember, money doesn't have to be confusing. You can control it. If you have any interest in watching my initial review and unboxing of the Point card, then check out this video up here. And if you'd like to watch my 1 month review, which is my personal favorite, then check out this video down here.